This is the Magic John screen protector, and I'm going to do a full review and install. Okay, let's open this up. It comes with two, which is great. You have your installation kits. I'm going to put one to the side because I'm only installing one. And from here, your little squeegee, and of course, the piece that makes it all happen right here. So what we're going to do is move this out of the way, and we're going to open up the installation kit right here. Pull out everything in there, that's all. So you have your cloth to dry off the screen, and your lint sticker, and your little wet wipe. So let's go ahead and do this. And what we're going to do is first just clean the screen off. All right, and then I'm going to use our wet wipe here and make sure we don't want any fingerprints. Clean that good. Keep that just in case. And I'm going to dry it off here. All right, and then just to make sure we don't have any lint on here, we're just gonna simply use the sticker. And from here, we should be good to go. You wanna make sure that the arrow points towards the top of your phone. That's important. You're gonna press it on, but don't press down on the top. You're going to pull the sticker off here. Then what you want to do is rub right here at the bottom. I'm not pressing down. And then I'm simply going to peel this sticker here. As I do that, it's starting to adhere. I can see it coming across. And then what I want to do is not lift from the top. You want to make sure and lift from the bottom. And then from here, you use your squeegee, and we're going to get any air bubbles. I got just a couple in here. And there we have it, screen protected. And this is definitely one that I would recommend.